Hi guys, so here's how I get views to my comic that doesn't require constantly posting daily, nor does it require having to be very social because I'm an introvert. I try to get my stuff to rank in Google Images utilizing Image SEO or keywords like this. This is one of the keywords. On my website, I will upload an image into WordPress and then I will put that same keyword right there in the alt text. You can also do something similar to this with Pinterest if you don't have a website. When people type in a key phrase like this or one like this, the images that I added that key phrase to will show up on the front page of Google, or at least rank in the image section of Google. Google helps me bring in about 138 views to my landing page of this specific comic, so I definitely recommend you guys try Google Image SEO.